This is the elevator at Barnsley College in Barnsley. It's an Otis Gen 2.
What floor are we going to, Alex?
We'll do it at top.
You went at top?
Yeah. See over how far they can really go.
As a student, you can't use it.
Yeah.
So,
We died up to 4. Oh, there are the doors.
Make sure you don't show face.
Yeah. Maintained by UK Lift Escalator Company. It's an Otis Gen 2 capacity 1,285 kilos, 17 persons. Installed in 2011. Here we are at 4.
let's go and look on the floor. So,
And I'll see you in a minute. This is
here. So the bottom one's the library, and then we've got learning curves where tutors.
I'll see you in a minute. We got another elevator here, just down there. So let's go and find. I am filming, Paul. So let's go and get it.
So it's music and performing arts, okay.
And I have her it's a bidder one as well. Is that right? Is it? Yeah.
How did you know that?
Someone told me. Aha! Here it is. Look at this elevator. So we're on the 4th floor right now. So it's going to take a bit of time. I think it's only 1 meter a second, this elevator, I think. Ah, here it comes.
Do you support him at Greenacre as well then, Alex?
No. Here it is. Yeah. Got a massive 2-speed door here.
Do Mexican mixture.
I'll hold the door.
We're going to lower ground now, Alex.
Oh, are we? Capacity in this one is 2,000 kilos, 26 persons, installed in 2011. It's an Otis Gen 2.
Lower ground.
Here we are at lower ground floor.
Doors opening.
And that's it.